Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel at sa video ito ating pag-aaralan ang functions of x. Okay, so ang topic na ito ay pang grade 11. Okay, so let us start. So pag-aaralan muna natin yung basic. Okay, so hanggang sa palalim tayo ng palalim sa mga topic natin. Okay, so functions of x or f of x equals 3x minus 5. Okay, so find f of 2 or functions of 2. Alright, so ang gagawin natin, so f of x, diba? So, ibig sabihin, itong x na to, papalitan natin ng number 2. Okay, so functions of 2 equals 3 times 2 minus 5. Okay, so functions of 2 equals 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, minus 5. So, final answer natin, f of 2 equals 6 minus 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, at yan ang ating sagot. F of 2 equals 1. From the equation 3x minus 5 or from the expression 3x minus 5. Okay, next one. Okay, g of x equals 3 times the absolute value of 2x. Okay, find g of negative 6. Okay, so absolute value, ibig sabihin kahit negative yung nasa loob, magiging positive pa rin siya. Alright, so g of positive 6 equals 3 times the absolute value of 2 times 6. Okay, so g of 6 equals 3 times absolute value. 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, so g of 6. Ano ba yan? Ano nangyayari? Paumanin po. Okay, g of 6. So 3 times 12 is how many? 36. Okay, so g of 6 equals 36. Next one. K of A equals the absolute value of A minus 2. Find K of negative 9. Okay, so ibig sabihin, so K of A, so palitan natin yung A na negative 9. Okay, so absolute value of negative 9, K minus 2. Okay, K of negative 9. Okay, so equals, absolute value of negative 9 is, also positive, minus 2. Okay, so K of negative 9 is equal to 9 minus 2 is how many? 7. Okay. So K of negative 9 is equal to 7. Alright, next one. P of A equals negative 4A minus 2. So find P of 2A. Okay, so P of 2A equals negative 4. Okay, papalitan natin yan ng 2A. Okay, minus 2. So negative 4 times 2A. Sorry. Negative 4 times 2A is negative 8A. Okay, minus 2. So ang final answer natin is, yan na. P of 2A, o pwede natin i-factor. Positive 2 times, how many? Negative 4. Negative 4A minus 1. Okay. Okay, so yan ang ating sagot para sa P of 2A. Okay, so pwede rin ito, kaya lang kung kung nire-require kayo i-factor, so ayan, pwede natin i-factor. And last one, g of t equals t squared minus 2. Find g of negative 2. Okay, so g of negative 2 equals Okay, negative 2 power of 2 minus 2. So, positive 4 minus 2. So, ang sagot natin dyan, g of negative 2 is equal to 4 minus 2 is positive 2. Okay. So, at yan po ang ating topic ngayong araw na ito about functions of x. Okay? Ganun kasimple, ganun kadali. Ako po si Konkru TV. Maraming salamat po.